Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application and proceed with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will end up within the wallet page. From here, you can look around within the settings. However, there is no particular option that will allow you to change language after you have already logged into the application. So if you wish to change the language, you will need to clear the data for the application and then log back in once again. So in order to make sure that you can access your account later, first of all, retrieve your seed key. Go ahead and tap on your wallet name and then tap on Manage Wallets. From here, just tap on your wallets and you can tap on the Show Private Key as well as the Show Seed Phrase option in order to reveal your seed phrase, which is the only way for you to re-access your account later on. Make sure you safely store your seed key and your passphrase for all of your wallets. And after doing so, long press on the Coin98 Wallet application and then tap on the App Info button. From here, tap on Force Stop first in order to stop the application, and then you can tap on Storage in order to clear the storage. Tap on the Clear Data or the Clear Storage option and then proceed forward with clearing your storage for the application. Once this process is completed, you can open up the application once again and you will now be allowed to choose your theme as well as your desired language. Make sure you choose the language that you wish to use the application in within the Choose Language screen and then tap on the Next button. After this, you can simply continue forward with logging into your wallet and setting up your PIN. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Coin98 Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.